It is much easier to fall in love than to stay in love, because falling in love is just the act deriving from how you feel or how you perceive somebody. To make sure that both of you are agreeing to each other that yes, we should love each other. But to stay in love is difficult because it takes responsibility, the sense of knowing that I should do what is right, doing what is right financially, even non-financially, not cheating on your partner, on the rest. There are external challenges or forces that comes to disrupt you, like rumor mongering, poverty, segregation, hatred and beefs that may enter inside to try to separate you. So all those things are part of staying in love. If you don't stiffen up and be strong, you will only end up falling in love, but will not stay in love.